Let me ask you something. Why do you want to study, but your brain feels empty? Why do ideas die before they even form? You're not lazy. You're not dumb. There's a silent habit stealing your creativity every single day, and you probably don't even notice it. As a student, your life is already heavy. Classes, pressure, deadlines, family expectations, and in between, phone, reels, shorts, notifications, constant noise. That habit is called never letting your brain be bored. The moment you feel even slightly uncomfortable, you scroll, and creativity dies right there. Science shows creativity is born in quiet moments, when your brain wanders, when there's no input. But scrolling keeps your brain in reaction mode. No thinking, no imagination, just consuming. So later, when you sit to study or create, your brain has nothing left to give. Morning sets the tone. Quick rule: no phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. Instead, sit, stretch, write one messy thought on paper. This gives your brain space, and space is where ideas grow. In the afternoon, your energy drops. That's normal. Before grabbing your phone, take a 5-minute boredom break. No music, no screen. Just stare, walk, think. It feels useless, but this is where creativity secretly resets. At night, stop blaming yourself. You're tired because your brain never rests. Silence is not wasting time. Silence is sharpening your mind. You deserve mental peace. Start small. Protect boredom. Watch your focus come back. If this helped you even a little, like the video. Subscribe for more student-friendly growth content, and share this with a friend who feels stuck. You're not broken, you're just overstimulated, and now you know how to fix it.